Welcome back, ladies and gents. It's makeup artist Jakrista. Today I'm going to show you all how to highlight and contour, and I'm also going to show you all an updated version of an eyebrow tutorial. So if you would like to watch, continue watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So as you all know, if you're an oldie but a goodie, I like to start off with my brows. I'm just underlining my brows. I'm filling them in. They're already kind of thick, so I'm just going to fill them in, create more arch, more definition with my pencil, with my NYX Microbrow Pencil. Now guys, I'm going in with my LAGirlPro concealer in the color Fawn. I'm just cleaning those brows up, making them more defined, making them all fleeky and whatnot so they can pop. Now you would just like to blend that concealer out, blend it away from your brows so it can look more natural. Now I'm going in with my FentyBeauty Foundation in the color 430, or is it 340? It's one of them. I'll put it in the description box below. But yes, I'm using my FentyBeauty, and I'm using my e.l.f.'s blending brush. So the Fenty wasn't dark enough. It wasn't, like I always tell you all, that it's really not full coverage. It's lightweight. So I had to go in with my Clinique foundation and concealer in the color CLOVE. I like this foundation a lot. It conceals and it's in foundation and it's full coverage. Now I'm back at it again with my LAGirlPro concealer in the color Fawn. I'm just going to use that concealer to highlight. And when you highlight, you would like to do up under your eyes and then the bridge of your nose. And you will also like to get your chin and your forehead. And as you can see, I am highlighting downward. I have an upside down triangle under my eyes, and you'll see that I'll blend it out. Right now I'm doing under my nose, my chin, and I'm going to do my forehead and the bridge of my nose. Now when you're highlighting, you would like, it's for the light to catch. So you're going to highlight every area of your face that you would like the light to catch. And right now I'm just blending all of that out. I like to blend up and out, or just blend it all together. But yeah, so I'm just going to blend it out, and you'll see the next step will be contour. Now, some people like to use sponges or, different things to blend. I just use the same makeup brush or the same foundation brush that I use to put my foundation on. Now I'm going in with my BlackRadiance contour palette. I'm using the darkest shade to contour. And when you contour, you would like to slim your face or make it look more chiseled. So I'm just going to contour the, my cheekbones, my forehead, and my chin. And also you'll contour your nose to make your nose look slimmer. Don't forget to get that neck. I like to use the big 3 method. I start from the top. Well, I'll start from the middle, then go up, and then go down as a 3. And right now, I am just putting some highlight under my contour line so it can pop more. Now, if your nose is your problem area, do not forget to get your nose. I start from the top, from my eyes, and drag it down. Like I said, contouring is the illusion of slimming. So I'm trying to make my nose look itty bitty. Now I'm going in with my BLKOPL setting powder in the color medium. With your light setting powder, you're going to hit those areas where you've highlighted. So under your eyes, down your chin, under your nose, your forehead, also down the bridge of your nose. And if you want to make your contour line of your cheeks pop, you'll put a little bit under your cheek line. Or your jawline. Cheek line. Ladies and gents, do not forget to blend. I don't let my powder bake long. Some people let it bake for minutes, but I don't. I don't like to look yellow and cakey or ashy, so I let it sit on for probably 30 seconds, if that, and then I blend it out. Now, you would like to go in with a dark shade setting powder for your contour. I like to use these 2 dark shades on this palette I got from Amazon. And like I said, your contouring is to make you look chiseled. So you're going to get your cheekbones, your forehead, down your nose, your chin, and you'll also get your neck. Do not forget your neck. And you'll blend it, blend it, blend it. I like my contour to be a tad darker. So yeah. Don't forget your setting mist. So guys, I hope that this video helped you with highlighting and contouring. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment box. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is your girl, makeup artist Jakrista. Mwah.